I understand how difficult it is to say goodbye to a beloved pet. I also understand how hard it is to pick up the phone and make that very first phone call for you. But believe me, I do try to make the whole process easier for you, even from that first call. Now, what does this mean? Well, at first it means understanding, and I do understand. Remember, I've had a lifetime of many pets and going through this many times, so I do understand. Next, I think it means giving you telephone access to an experienced veterinarian who will take the time with you, the time you need to answer all your questions, and then give you very sincere and honest advice, both from a medical standpoint and from a quality of life standpoint. And where else can you get that? Very often this is a pure second opinion, and I do this for you at no fee. It's a part of the service of this practice. Most of us need help in making critical decisions, and I know you need help from a veterinarian in making your decisions now. So I'm happy to take the time necessary to counsel with you, again, both from a medical standpoint and from a quality of life standpoint. It's very important. Very often this conversation goes to a, are we too early or too late conversation. This timing is very important. It's a discussion you must have with an experienced veterinarian. I think it's one of the most important things I do, because you can't undo this decision. It's called in-home euthanasia. When your pet has reached the end of its life, either naturally or because of a long battle with some disease, we're able to end the pain and suffering in your home without you having to take your pet for a car ride to the vet's office, or worse yet, to the emergency room in the wee hours of the morning, simply adding stress and anxiety to the whole situation. In your home, you are in a private, safe, quiet environment, and you can show any emotions that you wish, and you're never rushed. It's peaceful and comfortable for your pets, and for your family and children, and even other pets in the house. Yes, I'm the one that comes to your home, and I do the entire procedure. Sometimes I make the calls by myself, other times my wife accompanies me. She has a wonderful, caring heart for people and for pets. But I'm the veterinarian that comes to your home to properly handle this extremely important medical procedure. You will not find inexperienced or part-time veterinarians working in this practice. You have several options when it comes to aftercare, and it's important to have thought these things through before I get there. I can take care of all this for you, or you're welcome to take care of your pet also. But I find most people prefer that I take care of all this for them because they know I will handle their pet as if it were my very own. Once I leave your home, you don't have anything to worry about or make any other arrangements. Most people prefer cremation and the return of their pet's ashes in a beautiful urn. As my client and as my gift to you, your pet's ashes are returned in a beautifully carved wooden urn. And you have options such as a clay paw print that are also very nice. We are very fortunate to have a pet cremation facility here in Colorado Springs called Homeward Bound. Many cities, even some larger than Colorado Springs, do not have such a nice facility as Homeward Bound. It's not only a very professional facility, but it's run by highly dedicated and caring people. I trust them to make sure everything is done correctly and in a very caring manner. They meet top national standards. They also have a very nice selection of beautiful urns. They have a chapel. If you would like to have a service, you can schedule that with them. Great place. They have pet loss support groups and many other services that you might need at this difficult time. Check them out on the web and call them, talk to them. Gwen and Sky are wonderful people. They've been providing pet cremation services for over 20 years here in Colorado Springs. They'll guide you through some of the decisions you have to make in this difficult time. There are other cremation facilities in town. They do not meet the standards I set for my clients in my practice. It is my goal to make this difficult time easier for you, that you have all your questions answered, and that you know everything is done professionally and with a great deal of compassion for your wonderful pet family members. If you need to talk, if you need a second medical opinion, or if you just need help in deciding if the time is right, call me. I answer my own phone. I'm on the phone a lot, so if you get the recording, do leave a message. I'll call you back. But call me. Let me help you make these decisions and maybe make this very difficult process just a little bit easier. I have almost 4 decades of experience as a veterinarian. Let's put that to good use to help you and your beloved